Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to create a private host or how to integrate our AWS services into OctoPerf. So you already have an AWS account or Azure or DigitalOcean. So if you want to use your machine instead of OctoPerf, then how to integrate your account to OctoPerf? Or if you want to use a agent which is in your on-premise, then how we can create it. So first switch into workspace. So I'm going to workspace now. After going to workspace, click on hover on project. You will have a private host. Click on private host. This will show the agents if you are already installed any agents in for October. This is a provider list of providers what you added for your October account. So now I'm clicking on add provider. So in add provider, you have any four options here. One is AWS Web Services, Microsoft Azure, DigitalOcean. So if you have already any of this account, AWS or Microsoft or DigitalOcean, so you can add your account into your Octopus account. So to add that, I'm clicking on the AWS Web Services now. So you need to get the access key and the secret key from the AWS web services. Then you need to shut down policy based on that 55 minutes downtime. If it is not responded to 55 minutes, so there is no test will happen when you validate a script and it is not used till next 55 minutes, then it's going to shut down. So based on this, you can shut down your values and what are the properties, what are the machines it was allowed from your web services. So if you want, you can check these values, medium or large or extra large or normal, and you can use a memory usage as well. So what is the memory usage you want to use? So basic memory is 128 or 1512 or 2048, and per virtual user, 8 users or 15 users, heavy virtual user 16 users, and the maximum percent of memory used in a test. So if any of the agent crossing more than 70, then it will your machine, I mean your Octopower will scale up another machine and shuffle the users to the new machine. So maximum number of containers. So now I made zero. So by default it was zero. You can make it a five or six text. I mean scripts can run from your machine. So you need to change, make your decision and change those details as per your requirement, and then click next. So it will add your details. So when you give this access key and this thing, this button will enable, and we can add this. So same thing, we can add it for. Azure as well, with respect to details of Azure, and respect to mission details and memory usages. And next thing for DigitalOcean as well, the same details what we required. So we need to add those information and we can integrate into our thing. So if you want to add a on-premise agent, so click on add premise. So it will add the what the total memory of this thing what you're using this thing. So you need so this is personal machine what you're using here. So if you click on next here, so it will show you the details, latitude and longitude. So to show you the location details in your scenario where you create, so this is asking for the detail here. So we can give the region name as well. So if it is not, I mean, if you don't have any, you can Google it and you can give it. So you can save this information. So on-premise provider. So if you edit this, you can change the memory details and memory usage details and everything for this agent, this provider, or you can delete and enable it. So this is a name. It will show you under the test when you selecting a location. So to get a so you added a premise now. Now if you want to add a agent here, so you need to create agent by clicking an agent here. You need to create agent to integrate this on-premise provider. We'll see how to create a agent in next video. Thanks for listening, this friends.